Hi guys, let's talk about the Panamera 971. Welcome back guys to another video, and we already showed you our new package for the Panamera 971 previously in another video, but today I want to go and give you a little bit more close-up look. Last time we basically introduced you to our tuning package. Today why don't we dive in and give you a really close-up look, because the forged carbon fiber parts look so amazing. First of all, before we start, I'm pretty sure we're already going to show you some photos here left or right of me. This was the tuning package before, which we did before. It was one of the first tuning packages that we came out with a complete forged carbon fiber part. In a previous video I also mentioned that now our factory has been cranked up. I would say about 50% of all our production is now in forged carbon fiber. It's getting more and more popular. So guys, let's not talk too much further and let's dive directly into this. So you might remember that that the DMC tuning package consists of a couple of parts. Particularly there's the front lip, which we're going to see here. And the front lip is actually beautiful, not for the case that it's stunning and gives you additional downforce. No, we actually have made an additional spoiler lip and created it into the front lip, which we're going to show you in a moment. Probably you're going to see it here. This is a lower bottom part of the front lip. It installs, and believe me, in combination with the broad front lip, this is basically a front splitter part of the front lip. It creates an additional wind flow, cooling, and it actually, the wind travels very nicely under the car, comes out back at the rear diffuser. So this is the part which we're going to look next. Here's the rear diffuser. Oh my god, and look at this forged carbon fiber. Let me know in the comments if you love it as much as I do. You see, this is the raw carbon, this is the raw diffuser, not raw, of course it's manufactured already, but the fins have not yet been installed. You need the fins, of course. The fins give you a better road handling, road stability. I'm not really sure how you say this in English. So basically the wind that we channel through the front splitter travels under the car with much lesser turbulence and comes out at the back thanks to this rear diffuser. All made from forged carbon fiber. And in the next photo or video we're going to show you the fins. These fins, maybe we're also going to show you for a moment just here how this looks installed. There you go. And these fins, they install on the rear diffuser and are responsible for the channeling of the air, as I just mentioned. Here's some more shots of the other parts of the video. In general, I'm really glad how it turned out. I have to be honest, I also mentioned that in another video. In the beginning, when the forged carbon fiber thing came up, I was not a big fan. I was doubtful. I was not sure. I think Lamborghini was one of the first companies that came up with it. Didn't like it too much, but now I'm really all for it. I'm all hands down. I love forged carbon fiber, and I suggest all my friends, customers, if you go for carbon fiber, why don't you consider to take forged carbon fiber? It's really beautiful, it's stunning. Let me know your thoughts, what you like about forged carbon fiber, and also let me know if you liked this video or not. If you liked it, you know what, it would be really nice if it would leave us a thumbs up or click a like, depending on the platform where you're watching this. You can also give us a subscribe if you haven't done so yet. Hit that bell icon to get notified when we upload new stuff. In some other platforms, we're going to show it to you now left or right of me. You actually have to go into the menu and manually turn on notifications, and then you get a little message or sound when we upload new video, and then we'll see each other again soon. Let me say thank you one more time for watching, and I'll see you very soon, as I just mentioned, with more DMC content. Until then, DMC Life.